You know, we spend a lot of time on this channel talking about hard work, getting our hands dirty, tackling those jobs that most folks would rather avoid. Well, today we're going to tip our hats to the masters of practicality, the Amish. Please subscribe to my channel. These folks have built a life around simplicity, resourcefulness, and let's face it, a whole lot of ingenuity. So if you're tired of complicated solutions and endless trips to the store, stick around. We're about to unlock 20 Amish life hacks that'll have you rethinking how you do things around the house. Now, anyone who spent time on a farm knows that waste not, want not isn't just a saying, it's a way of life. And nobody embodies that better than the Amish. They've been composting long before it was trendy, turning kitchen scraps into what can only be described as black gold for the garden. We're talking everything from vegetable peels and coffee grounds to eggshells and even some paper products. The result? Rich, fertile compost that would make a botanist weep with joy. And the best part? You can do it too. Start small with a countertop compost bin and watch your garden flourish. Ever notice how sliced veggies tend to brown and go bad quicker than you can say Amish buggy? Well, these folks have a simple solution for that. Butter. That's right, a little dab of butter on the cut surface of your onions, cabbage, or squash does wonders to keep it fresh. Acts like a protective seal, locking in flavor and preventing oxidation. It's like nature's plastic wrap, only way tastier. Let's be honest, the modern world loves its cleaning products. Got a different spray bottle for every surface imaginable. But the Amish? They keep it simple with good old-fashioned lye soap. Made from rendered animal fat and lye, hence the name, this stuff is tough as nails. Dishes, laundry, grimy hands after a hard day's work, lye soap can handle it all. It's biodegradable, lasts forever, and won't leave your house smelling like a chemical plant. Chapter 4. Alright, this one might sound a little strange at first, but trust me on this. Tarnished silverware getting you down? Forget the harsh chemicals, just grab some sour milk or buttermilk. Soak your silverware overnight, give it a good rinse, and boom, good as new. The natural acids in the milk gently dissolve the tarnish without damaging the silver. It's like magic, only cheaper and better smelling. Chapter 5. Now we all know about the sweet aroma of beeswax candles, but the Amish have a few more tricks up their sleeves when it comes to this versatile substance. Think of it as nature's duct tape. Need to waterproof some fabric? Beeswax. Sealing a wooden surface? Beeswax. Protecting your tools from rust? You guessed it, beeswax. Just melt it down, brush it on, and let it work its magic. Chapter 6. Let's be honest, nobody likes wasting food, especially not the Amish. So, what do they do when their bread starts to go stale? Do they toss it out? Absolutely not. They wrap it in a damp cloth, warm it gently in the oven, and voila! Fresher than a summer breeze. The moisture revives the bread, making it soft and delicious again. It's like hitting the reset button on stale. Chapter 7. Before you go emptying your fireplace into the trash, hold on a minute. The Amish have been using wood ash for centuries as a cleaning powerhouse. Sprinkle some in your pots and pans for scrubbing. Polish your silver with it, even deodorize those, shall we say, less fragrant areas of the farm. A little ash mixed with water or vinegar goes a long way. It's natural, effective, and best of all, free. Chapter 8. Here's a head-scratcher for you. What do potatoes and sewing needles have in common? Well, in the Amish world, quite a bit. Sticking your needles into a raw potato is an old-school trick that prevents rust and keeps them nice and sharp. Plus, it keeps them organized and easy to grab while you're working on your latest quilting masterpiece. Who knew a spud could be so handy? Chapter 9. Cast iron pans. They're the workhorses of the kitchen, but keeping them seasoned and clean can be a bit of a chore. Unless you're Amish, that is. They skip the soap and reach for something a little more natural. Coarse salt. A little elbow grease and a handful of salt will remove any stubborn residue without damaging that precious seasoning. It's simple, effective, and keeps your cast iron in tip-top shape. Chapter 10. Spilled some wine on your favorite shirt? Ink stain got you down? Fear not, the humble potato is here to save the day again. Cut open a raw potato and rub the juicy side on the stain. The potato starch acts like a natural stain lifter, drawing out even the toughest blemishes. Let it sit for a bit, then toss it in the wash. You'll be amazed at how this little spud can work wonders. Chapter 11. Before you toss those apple cores into the compost bin, hold on. The Amish have found another use for those often discarded apple peels, shining pots and pans. That's right, the mild acids in apple peels can work wonders on stainless steel and aluminum, leaving them sparkling clean. Just give them a good rub and watch the shine return. It's like giving your cookware a mini spa treatment. Chapter 12. The Amish are masters of resourcefulness, and nothing exemplifies that better than their approach to old clothing. Instead of tossing worn-out garments in the trash, they find new life for them. Old shirts become quilts, faded jeans transform into sturdy rugs, and even the smallest scraps find their way into children's toys. It's a beautiful cycle of reduce, reuse and repurpose that speaks volumes about their respect for resources and tradition. Forget those chemical-laden bug sprays, the Amish have a more fragrant solution for keeping those pesky critters at bay. Lavender, mint, rosemary, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. That's all it takes to create a natural bug repellent that's safe for your family and the environment. Mix it up, let it steep, and then unleash its aromatic power on those unwanted guests. In a world obsessed with energy consumption, the Amish stand apart with their embrace of simpler methods. Clotheslines and drying racks aren't just relics of the past, they're essential tools for drying clothes, herbs, even pasta, using nothing but the power of the sun and a gentle breeze. It's energy efficient, extends the life of your garments, and adds a touch of old-world charm to your home. When the power goes out, the Amish don't panic. They simply light up their trusty mason jar lanterns. These simple yet effective light sources are created by filling a mason jar with oil, adding a cotton wick, and voila, instant ambiance. They're perfect for power outages, camping trips, or simply adding a touch of rustic charm to your evening. Don't toss those eggshells in the trash. In the Amish garden, they're considered valuable allies in the fight against pesky slugs and snails. Sprinkle some crushed eggshells around your plants, and you'll create a natural barrier that these slimy critters won't want to cross. Plus, the eggshells add valuable calcium to the soil, giving your plants an extra boost. Looking for a natural way to soften your laundry, reduce static cling, and eliminate odors? Look no further than your pantry. The Amish swear by adding half a cup of white vinegar to their rinse cycle. It's a simple, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective way to keep your clothes feeling fresh and looking their best. Long before the days of fancy vacuum sealers, the Amish had their own method for preserving the fruits of their labor. By heating food in jars and flipping them upside down to cool, they create a vacuum seal that locks in freshness and flavor. It's a testament to their ingenuity and ability to adapt and thrive without relying on modern conveniences. Working the land is dirty work, and the Amish know a thing or two about getting clean. Forget those store-bought hand scrubs. They rely on a simple mixture of cornmeal and lard or soap to create a gritty paste that cuts through grease, grime, and just about anything else life throws their way. It's a natural, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective way to keep those hard-working hands clean. A good mattress is an investment, and the Amish understand the importance of proper care. To prevent sagging and ensure even wear, they flip and rotate their mattresses every few months, often coinciding with the changing seasons. It's a simple habit that extends the life of your mattress and ensures a comfortable night's sleep for years to come. Simple, practical, time-tested. The Amish remind us that sometimes the old ways are still the best ways. Which of these hacks are you going to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more home wisdom that works.